Hi, Whitney here, GM and daughter with Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating and Cooling Inc. to answer a question we hear often. Is it safe to use those blue tablets in my toilet? While it may seem like a great way to sanitize your throne and leave your bathroom smelling fresh, the reality is the toilet cleaning tablets can create a few problems for your toilet and your health. First, these cleaning products contain corrosive compounds like boric acid and other chemicals that we can't even pronounce. Over time, these chemicals will corrode parts inside your toilet tank. Second, these cleaning tablets can become lodged in your flush valve, thereby preventing your toilet from flushing. Third, and most importantly, toilet cleaning tablets contain toxic chemicals, some of which are emitting into your home or office air around the clock 24/7, and this is especially a problem in a bathroom with poor ventilation. It's a good idea to research the specifications of your toilet bowl cleaning tablet on that manufacturer's website to learn more about potential dangers, which often involve health risk for respiratory systems, skin, eyes, and reproductive system. And of course, if you have a pet who insists on drinking from the toilet bowl, this is especially harmful to them. So what do we do instead? We recommend using any number of eco-friendly toilet bowl cleaners such as 7th Generation, Greenworks, and other green plumbing products, which you can find online as well as in some stores. These more natural products are better for you, better for your plumbing, and better for the environment. Or you can create your own homemade toilet cleaners using old-fashioned ingredients such as dishwashing soap, vinegar, baking soda, essential oils, and lemon juice. If you run into any problems with a toilet in your home or office and you're located in the Knoxville, Maryville, Oak Ridge, or Lenoir City area, give us a call. We're the area's first green plumber helping to create sustainable communities in the greater Knoxville area. Call 865-583-3957 or you can book online at pipewrench.com. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive other useful homeowner tips. Thanks and have a great day.